Here are 10 facts about blood that are essential for understanding how your body works and why blood is so important to health and survival. 1. Blood is a specialized connective tissue. Blood is not just a fluid, it's a living tissue made of cells suspended in plasma. It is classified as connective tissue because it connects the body systems by transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Blood circulates through blood vessels thanks to the heart, and it plays key roles in maintaining homeostasis, which means internal balance in body temperature, pH, hydration, and more. 2. Main components of blood. Blood is made up of 4 main components. Plasma, about 55% a pale yellow fluid that's 90% water. It carries proteins, like albumin, clotting factors, and antibodies, glucose, electrolytes, hormones, and waste. Red blood cells, RBCs, make up around 40 to 45% of blood. They contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds oxygen and gives blood its red color. White blood cells, WBCs, less than 1% of blood, but crucial for the immune system. Types include neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. Platelets, cell fragments that play a key role in blood clotting. When you get a cut, platelets gather at the site and form a plug to stop bleeding. 3. Functions of blood. Blood performs several vital functions. Transportation, carries oxygen from lungs to tissues and CO2 back to lungs, delivers nutrients and hormones, removes waste to kidneys and liver. Regulation, maintains body temperature, pH levels, and fluid balance. Protection, WBCs defend against infection, platelets prevent blood loss, antibodies neutralize foreign invaders. 4. Blood volume and weight. Blood makes up about 7 to 8% of a person's body weight. For example, an adult weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, has about 5 to 6 liters, 1.3 to 1.6 gallons, of blood. Children have less blood volume, and it increases as they grow. 5. Red blood cells and oxygen transport. RBCs live for about 120 days, after which they are broken down by the liver and spleen. Hemoglobin inside RBCs binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it into tissues. 1 RBC carries over 250 million hemoglobin molecules. The bone marrow produces around 2 million RBCs every second to maintain healthy levels. 6. Blood types and compatibility. Blood type is determined by antigens on the surface of RBCs, A, B, AB, or O, and by the Rh factor, plus or minus. Receiving the wrong blood type in a transfusion can cause a severe immune reaction that may be fatal. Blood typing is also important in pregnancy to prevent Rh incompatibility, which can harm the baby. 7. Universal donors and recipients. O-negative blood, universal donor for all blood types because it has no A, B/Rh antigens. AB positive blood, universal recipient because it accepts all antigens. However, for plasma transfusions, AB plasma is the universal donor. 8. White blood cells are immune warriors. WBCs identify, attack, and destroy pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Some WBCs produce antibodies, while others engulf pathogens directly, phagocytosis. WBC counts rise during infections or inflammation, and drops may signal immune suppression, e.g., in HIV or cancer. 9. Platelets and clotting. Platelets, also called thrombocytes, are essential to hemostasis, stopping bleeding. They clump together and trigger the clotting cascade to form fibrin, a mesh that seals the wound. Low platelet count can lead to excessive bleeding, while high clotting increases the risk of stroke or heart attack. 10. Blood donation saves lives. Whole blood can be donated every 56 days, while plasma and platelets can be donated more often. Each donation can help up to 3 people through surgery, trauma care, accidents. Cancer treatment. Anemia, especially from chronic disease or blood disorders like thalassemia or sickle cell anemia.